My name is Ben Beeson. I'm the technical coordinator for IKO, and I work out of my home office in Indianapolis, Indiana. My role at IKO is I approve all warranty applications, I write assembly letters. I'm also in charge of our field safety program and our training program. I also help contractors with detailing and anything basically from bid time all the way up through construction. All sorts of technical questions from codes testing to assembly letters to just basically any information that they can need for their specific job. Each day is different. It's a unique challenge each and every day. I never know what each day is really going to hold. I do love the challenges of that, and the group that I work with, they're just a bunch of really great guys, both personally and professionally. They're very knowledgeable and they make my job a lot easier to do. Probably my favorite work experience is developing this training facility that you can see in the background here. From developing the presentations and all the different mock-ups and all the different activities that we do throughout the training program are things that I help develop, and we've had great success with these trainings. My favorite roofing system would probably be our induction weld system. It is a great system. You can get really high wind uplift ratings with it, and it's also a benefit to the contractor. It allows contractors to get on and off the roof faster, and also allows them to do more jobs throughout the roofing season, which in turn makes them more profitable. My advice to someone getting into the roofing industry is to do your best to educate yourself. Get on the different companies' websites, read the various technical information they have, their installation manuals, their attachment guides. Attend as many contractor trainings that you can attend to just help with your experience and get your hands on material. I would recommend working at IKO. It is a family atmosphere. Even though it's a big corporation, it does have that family atmosphere. Everyone seems to know one another. Everyone seems to care about one another. And it's just a great company to work for. What I like to do outside of work is I like to enjoy time with my family and friends, but I also enjoy a good round of golf.